Wrinkles on your face make you anxious. So, apply this simple mask to look younger because it can help you get rid of wrinkles quickly, and the best part is that all the ingredients are in your kitchen. Here's how to make it. Firstly, you prepare a fresh aloe vera leaf. Then, cut a piece equivalent to about 1 tablespoon of gel. Peel up one side of the green skin of the aloe vera piece. Next, you have to wash the aloe vera piece well with water to clean its resin. The resin contains latex, which can slightly irritate your skin. After washing, put the open part of the aloe vera piece on a grater and weight the gel into a bowl. Make sure you don't grate the green skin of the aloe vera piece. Pour the gel into a cheese or muslin cloth and strain it into another bowl. Aloe vera has been recognized since time immemorial as a plant with multiple domestic virtues. It has formidable virtues to protect your skin. Factors such as overexposure to the sun, pollutants, and smoking can cause the skin to wrinkle faster. While there are cosmetic treatments that can help you get rid of wrinkles, aloe vera is a safe remedy, particularly for people with sensitive skin, as it doesn't cause any irritations that could damage the skin. Next, we will mix aloe vera gels with honey, a great anti-aging agent. When applying on the skin, honey uses its exfoliating and healing powers to reduce appearance and speed up aging. It clears the skin, where it tightens and reduces wrinkles. So, you will see an immediate difference after rinsing the mask off with cool water. We all know that there's a huge variety of honey available, but organic, raw honey is best for skincare because it contains beneficial antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins. Now, add 1 teaspoon of honey into the bowl of aloe vera gel. Finally, this homemade mask needs Nivea cream. If this ingredient seems surprising to you, know that it is formidable against wrinkles, and for good reason. The Nivea cream drastically hydrates the skin, which prevents the appearance of fine lines by fighting skin dryness. Combined with the action of aloe vera and honey, it provides an ideal mask to fight against aging of the skin. Now, add 1 teaspoon of Nivea cream into the mixing bowl and stir well to combine the ingredients together. Make sure the mixture is homogeneous. Here's how to use this mask. Firstly, cleanse your skin so that it is able to absorb the full benefits of the mask. Then, apply the mask to your face with a makeup brush. If your hands are clean, you can also apply the mask by using your fingers. Set a timer for 15 minutes and relax while the mask soaks into your skin. Try not to lose track of time. If you leave the mixture on your skin for a long time, it might be difficult to rinse off later. Finally, rinse your face with cool water. Cool water helps your pores to close and absorb the nutrients from the mask. You can apply the mask for 10 successive days each evening. After that, apply 2 days a week to maintain youthful skin.